Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I've got something that is completely new, for me at least, and well, maybe for a bunch of you. I thought it would be fun to show you this because the quality of these models are amazing. So this is from Warhammer. This is Citadel Miniatures, Warhammer 40k, and what this set is, it's called Blood Angels Terminator Assault Squad. This happens to be a part of the army that I am building. So let's open it up and take a look at it, so you guys can see what this stuff is really like. 40mm bases. There are 5 of those in here, which I've already got plenty, but that's okay. Here's the instructions. And you have to choose what exactly you want to build. So if you want to build what they call the lightning claws on these guys, they look like big ripper werewolf claws. Or you've got the thunder hammer and storm shield that you can put on them. So there's that option, but there's more. The tools you'll need. And the first big option here is we've got 5 different heads, 5 different style of heads that you can put on him, on one of these. So there's a lot of heads here apparently, and the shields, the hammer. The thing is, they're pretty simple models to build because, as you see, like this hammer is part of the arm. The way they're engineered is just amazing. So very simple, you know, you put these on, you put these shoulder pads on, some of the ornate things that need to be put on to them there, and then just more of that kind of, you know, decorative stuff. And then on the base here you've got what's called a teleporter. So some kind of a device with its own little base. This guy is the standard bearer, so he's got the standard that he has to carry, and you've got all sorts of options, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options on their shoulder pads, their shoulder armor. And it has to do with rank and other things that are part of this army that you can have the option of doing. Same thing here. These have to do with the rank, and you can choose those. And then here's building, again, some more of the Terminators. There's a total of 5 in here, but each one has several different options on what you can do, which is really helpful because you know how much I like spare parts, and I can build other things with those spare parts. So yeah, all sorts of optional for each and every one of them. The optional heads, the optional, so if you want to build them with the lightning claws, here's that option. And all the different things you can do with them. And then kind of a look at how they look. So okay, and that's what they're supposed to look like finished. So on the sprues, and again, these are very, very well molded. You don't have any flash, any injector pin marks, nothing. These things are just amazing as far as the quality, and the sculpts are very good. As you can see, this flag here. But the closer you get, the more the details just pop out. As you can see with some of these figures here, their faces have great sculpt. Some of them even have scars on them. They really are amazing pieces. And then there's this sprue here. As you can see, there's actually quite a bit of plastic that comes in here. And again, you've got all of these different options, so there's lots of spare parts if you want to kit bash other models in your army. Again, the sculpts are just absolutely amazing. These shields, the detail on the sculpt is amazing. So they're fairly quick to build, which I like. I'm not a big fan of building things, but to put them together just without any painting, just to put it together, 20-30 minutes, and you can have one together. But then comes all of that painting. So when I do my painting, usually I do a lot of it on the sprue, and then I'll come back and start assembling and do the rest of the touch-ups and things such as that. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you folks today so you could kind of see and understand what these are like. I don't know who makes, if it's actually Citadel Miniatures that makes these molds, or if these are made by some other company for Games Workshop. They're out of England, so I don't know. I was asking somebody, is this something maybe that Airfix does under license for these folks? I have no idea, but I've heard people tell me that it is actually Games Workshop's own molds and injection molding, and again, it's outstanding. So anyway, folks, that's it today. Quick and easy. I'll get building these, and we'll show you how those turn out. So thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you again soon on The Stash.